سورة المنافقون.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا جاءك المنافقون قالوا نشهد إنك لرسول الله والله يعلم إنك لرسوله والله يشهد إن المنافقين لكاذبون.
When the hypocrites come to you, they say, "We bear witness that you are indeed the messenger of Allah. Allah knows that you are indeed His messenger, and Allah bears witness that the hypocrites are liars indeed."
اتخذوا أيمانهم جنة فصدوا عن سبيل الله إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون.
They have made their oaths a screen for their hypocrisy. Thus they hinder men from the path of Allah. Verily, evil is what they used to do.
ذلك بأنهم آمنوا ثم كفروا فطبع على قلوبهم فهم لا يفقهون.
That is because they believed and then disbelieved. Therefore, their hearts are sealed so they cannot understand.
وإذا رأيتهم تعجبك أجسامهم وإن يقولوا تسمع لقولهم كأنهم خشب مسندة يحسبون كل صيحة عليهم هم العدو فاحذرهم قاتلهم الله أنى يؤفكون.
And when you look at them, their bodies please you. And when they speak, you listen to their words. They are as blocks of wood propped up. They think that every cry is against them. They are the enemies, so beware of them. May Allah curse them. How are they denying the right path?
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ تَعَالَوْا يَسْتَغْفِرْ لَكُمْ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ لَوَّوْا رُؤُوسَهُمْ وَرَأَيْتَهُمْ يَصُدُّونَ وَهُمْ مُسْتَكْبِرُونَ.
And when it is said to them, "Come so that the messenger of Allah may ask forgiveness from Allah for you," they twist their heads and you would see them turning away their faces in pride.
سواء عليهم أستغفرت لهم أم لم تستغفر لهم لن يغفر الله لهم إن الله لا يهدي القوم الفاسقين.
It is equal to them whether you ask forgiveness or ask not forgiveness for them. Allah will never forgive them. Verily Allah guides not the people who are the rebellious.
هم الذين يقولون لا تنفقوا على من عند رسول الله حتى ينفضوا ولله خزائن السماوات والأرض ولكن المنافقين لا يفقهون.
They are the ones who say, "Spend not on those who are with Allah's messenger until they desert him. And to Allah belong the treasures of the heavens and the earth, but the hypocrites comprehend not."
يقولون لئن رجعنا إلى المدينة ليخرجن الأعز منها الأذل ولله العزة ولرسوله وللمؤمنين ولكن المنافقين لا يعلمون.
The hypocrites say, "If we return to Al-Madinah, indeed, the more honorable will expel therefrom the meaner. But honor, power, and glory belong to Allah and to His Messenger and to the believers, but the hypocrites know not.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تلهكم أموالكم ولا أولادكم عن ذكر الله ومن يفعل ذلك فأولئك هم الخاسرون.
O you who believe, let not your properties or your children divert you from the remembrance of Allah. And whosoever does that, then they are the losers.
وأنفقوا مما رزقناكم من قبل أن يأتي أحدكم الموت فيقول رب لولا أخرتني إلى أجل قريب فأصدق وأكن من الصالحين.
And spend in charity of that with which we have provided you before death comes to one of you and he says, My Lord, if only you would give me respite for a little while, then I should give charity of my wealth and be among the righteous.
وَلَن يُؤَخِّرَ اللَّهُ نَفْسًا إِذَا جَاءَ أَجَلُهَا وَاللَّهُ خَبِيرٌ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ.
And Allah grants respite to none when His appointed time comes. And Allah is all aware of what you do.